don't. Do you wanna? I don't remember the words. Here we go, boys. Let's we go. Hey, band. Cause you've got that one thing. So get out of my head. One thing. So all day and all night, something's gotta give now. Cause I'm dying just to know your name. And I need you here with me now. Cause you've got that one thing. This is a good song. I'm mad at you. I'm mad at you. They can't call me Aunt Eller. I ain't your Aunt Eller. You know what? Okay. Get this off of here. This way. I'm buying. I hate that so much. Trail of Tears today. Hey, there's the Trail of Tears. Okay, that's about it.
This what we look for. Let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna.
I'm already breaking that.
Last week, I must stay deep, cause talk is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita.
Have some of my macadamia nut. Macadamia Cliff Bars, macadamia nut. It's my favorite. I'm gonna give it another tap. Oh, it's so good. You wanna try some? We're right here and we're gonna write the story. Written in the stars like graffiti, can't ignore it. Every single hair has to start looking like me and you. Apparently I have to... I just want to go to the waterfall. My goal is to see each of the waterfalls. Okay. That's her goal. Okay, my cameraman. Give me your snacks. Just in case you'll get hungry.
Don't find her revolting out.
Wait, put my Mountain Dew in there. Actually, I just came out.
Video.
Am I going to carry my water? Is that a thing? Everyone's snacks. I'm back.
Put me in there.
Do you want to bring this or no?
Oh, wait.
He was a good dancer, but like I noticed he kind of would forget what he was doing because he would look around at people.
It was blocked like a day before.
Y'all's dance numbers, I loved them. They were the greatest time of my life.
Thanks.
Especially your little jumping around, shaking your booty part.
Ooh, yeah.
Except for freaking
Should I bring my drink?
the kinky girls. They're awful.
Oh my god.
What?
If you hold it over like that, it does that.
That was insane. All the windows open.
And now they all go up. And the sunroof open.
What? All of it?
I'm fancy, guys.
Come on and kiss me.
Hey, Dan. Don't get your shoes dirty, Dad. Yeah, wait, where's that waterfall guy? Okay, waterfall. Okay, where are we at? We're right here. Okay, Creek Trail goes up to it.
Okay, so
Right? Wait, where'd it go? Okay, so it's up there. So yeah, it meets with the... Okay. Let's go. Let's go, Dads.
Oh no, I'm already hurting. Oh. My knees are already
Buckling. Hello. Rachel's already freaking dirty.
Freaking lives in the woods, doesn't know how to bathe properly.
What? Narnia? Look at it. We took everything.
There's my house. That's my house. Jory. What'd you just do?
I just fell and broke my butthole. I actually just died. Look like I have iodine on my hands.
What? Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
What?
What?
Analysis.
Only 2 poisons, temporarily and copperhead.
Which one? Wait, they're poisonous? It smells like weed. Who's got it? Share!
Which one of you?
Who's that? Oh, I fell. Remain on the marked trail, you piece of crap. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you take a look at that? Do it. Say I'm gonna jump.
Huh?
Say I'm gonna jump.
I'm gonna do it, guys.
No, you gotta say I'm gonna jump.
I'm finna.
Okay.
I'm gonna jump.
Do a flip.
I did it. Alright, guys. We just finished at
Alright guys, I'm Tyler
Emma-
Calls, and
Emma-
this is how I vlog.
Here we put it in.
Tyler
Tyler
Calls,
calls.
link is...
waterfall you just saw.
What is it called? Amicalola.
Amicola Falls. And now we're going to the Soda Falls.
The soda parlor.
Hey, will you put it in?
Minnesota. No. Let's watch this action. Why do you have Chick-fil-A sauce?
How far away is this one?
I don't think it's that far. Will you get that? My arm doesn't bend like that. Did you like that waterfall?
Did like
Hey, I'm taking my pants off.
Huh?
Natural. Oh no.
Don't watch that. Okay, see you later. What?
Maybe.
Looking like a pillow. Oh my god. No arm, James.
Slide.
You say your bathtub looks better than this?
Wow, this is good. Yeah, I really like this one.
He's a tiny guy.
I can't put this on my story.
No traces of me lying. Oh, I'll wear my seatbelt too, Mom. Oh no, I'm not. Ah! I'm the master of lying. I get caught every time I lie, so. I know.
That's
Not as good as me though.
okay. So what just happened? We lost. We lost.
We skipped like
We
three
skipped.
waterfalls.
We skipped the third waterfall.
No,
We
like
skipped the
three.
fourth waterfall. We skipped the fifth waterfall. We tried to go to this waterfall. It's closed.
What do you mean we only skipped two?
Anna Ruby is closed, so don't go. Also Tallulah. We're skipping Tallulah.
Pretty. And we're going to Mini Haha.
My freaking window doesn't look pretty. There we go. Anyway, so we're going to
Black Panther.
Where are we going? Black Panther.
Black Panther.
Mini Haha.
Mini Haha.
What?
What? I want to stay.
Where is it? I would stay in that.
I can't even see anything.
It's like a little cabin, the campground. The cottages.
campground.
So cute.
It's pretty. I like it. Freaking. It's like 6. And. Oh, good. Short kid-friendly hike. You heard it here first. Freaking drove down like this 20-minute road and couldn't find the doodad, the freaking falls, Mini Haha. And we come back. We're coming back and we're about to give up. And then we see this staircase and we're like, is that it? And it is, because written on that staircase was, we finally found Mini Haha by some other couple. So we're here. We're making our way. My legs I'm so tired. I hear the roaring water.
Maybe that scared a lady.
See that lady?
Walking, and this lady was looking down. She looks up. She goes, "There it is."
There's the waterfall, boys. They're running. Oh my god. They're gonna break a neck. He's running now. Why is everyone running? Oh my god. I think they love the look of it. This is the one they've all been waiting for. So they probably flipping butts. What? Ew! I'm coming. I'm muddy as ever. Ugh. Oh, the wreck. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's, oh, Grain, I did the same.